this is Miss Heather again with today's video. Last week you learned how to use self-talk to help focus your attention on what you need to do. Let's see what Ryan and Amanda are doing today. First I get my hands wet, then I rub with soap, then I rinse them off and dry them really well. What are you doing, Ryan? I'm singing a song to help me remember all the hand washing steps. Does it help? Yes, I used to forget to wet my hands before putting soap on them. Now I remember to do that every single time. Good job, Ryan. You found a way to remember all the hand washing steps. You use self-talk by singing your song. Self-talk helps you remember what to do. Can you teach me your song, Ryan? Sure. First I get my hands wet, then I rub with soap, then I rinse them off and dry them really well. Oh, I like your song. I'm going to learn that so I can do the same thing and remember all the steps to hand washing. Last week, you learned that self-talk can help you stay focused on what you have to do. Today, you discovered you could also use self-talk to state all the steps for doing things so you could follow all the directions. You can do this at home to help you remember what you need to do. Thanks for watching. See you next week.